up, my dudes? Today we are here with a KICKSTW mystery box. So I'm pretty sure, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, I ordered this box and it arrived very quickly last week, which I am so excited about. It has been sitting in my bedroom and it's just been staring at me and I don't know why they haven't opened it yet. Today I've got my mate Micah here. Follow her on Instagram under Micah M. Maxwell. She'll be starting up her own channel very soon. I'm pretty sure it's in the works, had some ideas, but so like I said, this box is from KICKSTW. At the moment I don't think they're selling any more of the $500 boxes, but they do have a very wide range of boxes available on their website. I'm thinking in the next few videos I will be looking at some of the cheaper, more realistic valued boxes such as a $50 box, a $100 box, and there's possibly a $300 box on the way. But for now, like I said, $500 box, what is it, 2 kilos?
Yep, 2 kilos.
And yep, we have no idea what's inside. So I haven't opened this box up yet. The only thing I have done to it is I've blocked out my postal info, I mean for obvious reasons. But before I unbox this, I just want to tell you guys that after maybe, I think 50 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Takes what, less than 3 seconds of your time. Hit the sub button, hit the like button, and you'll be entered into a giveaway to win either one of the items from this box or one of the items from my upcoming box. It should be uploaded within, I mean I ordered it last night, so we'll see when it gets here. Alright, so we're not sure where the up or the down is, if that makes sense for this box. Yeah.
But I think the one's there.
We're thinking right here.
Yeah.
So I've got my trusty, what is this called? What is this called?
Wait, what did I say it was called?
This is not a box, this is a box cutter. This is a box
Stanley knife. That's what it's called.
Alright,
Stanley
so
knife.
my trusty rusty Stanley knife. Ooh.
Did you just cut the box? Oh, no.
Maybe I did.
You
Maybe
did
I did.
That's alright, it doesn't matter. So what's in it? Okay.
Yeah, let's just hope there's nothing like inflatable in there, because that, oh, okay, well, looks like we're gonna need a new knife. Another reason why I went with KICKSTW is because of their unique wrap. So a lot of mystery boxes just come in a plain old what, cardboard box. Pretty sure that is what is underneath this. I don't want to take a look at it yet, I just want to make sure this opens properly. And then I will let you guys have, this is probably not safe, don't do this at home, never cut towards you. Alright, so we've got it open here. Like I said, we've got no idea what's in this box. It's pretty cool.
Nope. I'm keen to see though.
But we are going to give you guys the first sneak peek of what is inside this box. KICKSTW is also known for having a red bag on the top of their product, so it's still a mystery once you've opened it up. So if it is in the way, I am very sorry, but like I said, we have no idea. So, in 3, 2, 1.
I'm hella nervous.
3, 2, 1. Did we take an L on this? Did we take an L on this $500 box? I don't think we did.
I don't think we did. I hope not.
No peekies.
I'm not peeking. I'm not looking.
Alright, can you guys see what's inside the box? Yes. Very nice. Again, okay, so what I'm thinking is that Micah and I will both get a pick out of the box a few times. Micah, would you like to go first?
I guess so. I will take the honour.
Alright.
Do I look?
No, you're not allowed. It's illegal.
Dude. I don't even know how to open it.
Is there a bag on the top?
Yeah, there's like a bag on the top. Can I take that out?
Yeah, take that out. Hey, we've got our first KICKSTW bag. So, like I said, this is just for hiding the products inside the box. There's nothing usually inside this.
Oh, can I take it out, dude?
Oh yeah, I'm not looking. Okay, maybe I had a peek, but I'm really trying not to. What have we got? You're kidding. You are kidding. Is that VLONE?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, so we are gonna unds everything in this box because we're way too hyped for this. Who is not hyped?
No,
Yeah,
now I'm hyped as, like...
Alright, do you want to open
Fuck, dude.
it? Nice. So
That is awesome.
first thing in this box
That is
we
a
have...
good card.
Is it a tea? It is a tea.
It is a tea.
So we've got a bright orange VLONE tea.
It is beautiful.
Wow. So is that the front of it?
No. Yep.
And we've got the...
That is the back.
How sick is that? What?
That is awesome.
So it's also got the tags on the front, the KICKSTW tags. Everything off this site is 100% authentic, which I think obviously is a really, really cool.
That is cool.
So
that's $260 alone.
So this t-shirt is $260. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that. There's the authentic tag on it. Also
Wow.
with the $260 price on it. So we'll be putting a counter on the screen. You know, gotta see if we get our money back in retail value. $260 on one t-shirt. That is awesome.
So let's pick out of the box.
That's half our box done already. Beautiful. Alright, so
you are up next.
oh, I can't see.
Try not to look. I really want to look. But
I know.
no,
Should I just... Is this what I think it is? Wow, okay, so we've got some of the, I think these are the 3M, I'm not too sure, these are the KICKSTW shoelaces that they try to include in nearly every box. I think this is awesome. I mean, I'm not much of a shoelace fan, but they kind of look like off-white laces.
Oh wait, like...
So I'm not too sure if you can see that there. It's got the, what are they called? Apostrophes around the shoelaces. And we got a whole bunch of them. So we got the, what are they, the Jordans? The Jordan keychain. Pretty sure those retail for about, I'm gonna say between $5 and $20. I mean, yeah, it's a pretty different price range, but yeah, I'd say between $5 and $20. Alright, so also here we've got one of the KICKSTW Easter merch beanies. I was actually saying to Micah before that I would actually really love a beanie. I will be rocking this. At the moment, I think we've got, with the shoelaces and the J keyring, we've got, what, I'm going to say $320-ish worth of price in there. We've also, in this bag, it's just got my billing information in it, you guys don't need to see that. We've got some of the Bape shark socks. These are actually really, really cool. These go for about $45. So
cool.
on it, we've got the tiger face, we've got the shark face, and on the back we've got the World Gone Mad logo, which, yeah, really, really cool. Really, really happy about those. Those are sick. And Micah, it's up to you.
I get nervous every single time I do this.
I am feeling nervous at the moment, but I am so stoked about that t-shirt.
No, there's any...
Dude! No way!
What?
Oh my god,
So
okay.
these are revenge.
Revenge Storms, you are
What?
kidding!
Okay.
And they are in my
Need to get
size
this
too.
out.
Okay, we'll do it this way. Dude, this is too much. This is too much. You are kidding.
Look at those.
What? How sick are these? Okay, so these aren't a cross with Vans, as a lot of people do think. These are their own brand, Revenge Storm. So it's actually, these are actually really hyped shoes, and I mean, I was looking at them, but $400, I think they're $400, they could actually be $200. But yeah, no, these are insane. They actually have the retail price on them for $325. So the shoes and the shirt alone, that is over $500.
That is awesome, dude.
That is ridiculous. I cannot believe it. What? This is like a whole fit too. Like, you know, shoes, socks, shirt. Who needs pants? We got it all. We got a box, we got shoes, man. There's so much interesting stuff in here. That's it for the box, is it? Awesome. Okay, so, I mean, you know, to wrap it up for you guys, quickly again, we've got the VLONE t-shirt, bright orange, awesome. We got the Bape socks. I mean, these in themselves are just, these are awesome. They have the Bathing Ape logo on the bottom.
These are just insane though. I just can't get over that.
I cannot get over it either. I mean, what? I am so stoked.
That is a cop and a half, dude.
This is insane. I just want to say a shout out to KICKSTW. Thank you so much for this mystery box.
Absolutely.
This was, it's like Christmas but better. This is so cool. Like, I am so stoked about it. Anyway guys, I think that's about it. You know, thank you Mike for being here for my first video.
So good, dude. Anytime.
And you know, just appreciate the support, the likes, the subs. Yeah, and I'll definitely be doing a giveaway from one of the things inside this box too. So stay tuned for next time guys. Thank you so much.
Are you crying?
I want to cry.